Anyway, we've managed to just film that turtle. And while we're on the subject of turtles, we're into the last week of June now, so it is peak time for turtles finding nest sites and laying their eggs. So keep an eye out for our shelled friends. And there's going to be plenty of occasions where you might see them crossing roads to get to nest sites. So be one of those kind people that stops and helps the turtle get across in the direction that it was heading. So eyes open, help our shelled friends. Let's get as many of those nest sites going as we can.